Hey, what's up everyone? Today I want to do like a video recap. I usually don't do any recaps, but today it's kind of special day for me because today I was really doing awful trading small caps in the morning. I was down 1800 on the day trading small caps. Then I switched on MRNA, and that is where I turned my day from red to green. I just want to show you how this setup turned my red to green here. Look at MRNA here. This one was there stepping down from couple days, and this one came here all the way down below 174. Then we started to bounce. We kind of found support here at kind of 176, and the bounce came back to 176 again, bounce came back to 176 again, bounce, and this time I started to buy at this dip here. As you can see, I traded wish before this one. That was a green trade as well, the IBO. But look at what MRNA here. This is my time of the each trade. I started to accumulate shares at 177, 176, and then I sell some more shares, 177. This is where it really started to get very nice on this after market hours. After I bought 177 area here, I started to sell 179.96. Is almost at the top here. The high is almost 140. I sold here 179, 176.96, 96, almost at the top 95. That was really awesome trade here. That I was down 1800 on a day. Right now I came to 800 on the day. So I'm really happy for today. But this is when you have like a bad day trading certain kind of stocks like small caps. I usually just stay away from them, and I start to switch to find large caps stocks. And this is which I found my hotspot today, because we kind of respected the 136 multiple times right here. I really like this Moderna stock. I traded Pfizer, but it wasn't a great trade, but the Moderna was really awesome trade. For me, I really found my support level here, 176. This kind of really works, guys, to find where is the support and resistance. Right now, if it comes back again to 176, I doubt it right now. I'm gonna start to buy again 176, 177 to buy more shares. I didn't buy really huge amount. I started to buy like 50 shares, 50 shares, 50 shares. Like, look at here, I only buy like 50 shares. I think all together was like 2,000 shares on Moderna. Let me make sure. 1 second. Here we go. I bought already, yeah, almost about like 2,000 shares altogether here, but I just bought them like in 50 shares blocks. I didn't buy the whole thing because I wanted to make sure that we can hold here 136 level here. Let me get it from here. Yeah, here you go. My activity here and positions on my thinkorswim. It's really, I'm really happy just to buy here very close to the top here. That was aftermarket 139.95. That was really the best trade I did today. So kind of feeling nice today to end the day green. So that's it for me, guys. I just want to let you know that if you can find a good stock, large cap stocks especially, and see it respect the support multiple times, that's gonna be good signs that this stock can rip, give us like $1 here move. And this is what happened with me on MRNA. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video.